Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, let's see a bok choy and kale stir fry. Let's see the ingredients required. 1 to 2 pieces of the bok choy and a bunch of kale. Finely chopped garlic, about a tablespoon of sesame seeds, salt to taste, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of palm jaggery, a few drops of pure sesame oil, half a teaspoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of soya sauce, a teaspoon of cornstarch to make a slurry, oil to stir fry. Now let's light the gas because we need to blanch the greens. The water is boiling nicely. Let's gently slide the bok choy into the boiling hot water. Immerse it. We'll flip them over after a minute. It's blanched very well. Now let's immediately transfer it to the cold water. Same hot water, we can add the chopped kale leaves. All the leaves need to be under boiling hot water just for 30 seconds to a minute. It's been in the hot water for about 30 to 40 seconds. Oh, what a lovely green. Let's remove it and transfer to the cold water. We blanched the greens. Now let's remove them from the cold water. Drain all the excess water and place the greens on a plate. Let's light the gas and toast the sesame seeds. Heat your wok nicely. Let it be piping hot. Add the sesame seeds and immediately switch off the gas. You know there's oil in the sesame seeds because of which it could burn very fast, and we don't want burnt sesame seeds. Just keep on stirring. In just a split second you can see them all dancing in the hot wok and they're ready to be removed off the gas. Allow them to cool, and now let's temper the greens. Let's make the sauce for the stir fry. In a small mixing bowl, let's add the oyster sauce first, the soya sauce, the vinegar, the palm jaggery, just a little salt. Now let's mix these. Now we'll add some water. Remember to add very little salt. All the sauces we're using have salt in them. We can always sprinkle a little if it's insufficient. Let's add a little water to the cornstarch and make a slurry. That should do. This needs to be removed. And now we'll cut it lengthwise. The wok is hot. Let's add a teaspoon of oil. Now let's add the garlic pieces. I love the smell of. Now let's add the sauce that we prepared. Keep some water handy. If it's thickening, just add a little more. Now it's time to add the slurry. Let's add a little more water. And now let's add the pure sesame oil. It's time to switch off the gas. Place all the blanched greens. No more cooking of the leaves. Let's gently drizzle the prepared sauce on the blanched leaves. And to enhance the flavor, let's sprinkle the toasted sesame seeds. Oh, what a nice nutty flavor. Wow. This is a very healthy way of preparing it. It goes very well with just plain steamed rice, your egg fried rice, vegetable fried rice, your chicken fried rice. For the recipe of the chicken fried rice, click on the link above. Enjoy your meal with the stir-fried bok choy and kale. See, we drizzle the sauce on it. If you like, you can chop up the blanched greens and add it to the wok and stir it along with the sauce so that all the greens are coated very well. After you take it off the gas, you can sprinkle the sesame seeds and have it. It's a very nutritious dish. Do try it. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meenman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meenman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.